Hello friends, welcome to Quant Question of the Day. We have taken this question from CAT 2019. The question says, a person invested a total amount of rupees 15 lakh. A part of it was invested in a fixed deposit earning 6% annual interest, and the remaining amount was invested in two other deposits in the ratio 2:1, earning annual interest at rates of 4% and 3% respectively. If the total annual interest income is rupees 76,000, then the amount in rupees lakh invested in the fixed deposit was. Now let us see the question again. A person invested a total of 15 lakh. So he has a total of 15 lakh. A part of it was invested in fixed deposit earning 6% annual interest. So fixed deposit is giving an interest of 6%. Remaining amount, say there's balance, was invested in two other deposits in the ratio 2:1. So this balance was deposited in two investments in the ratio 2:1, earning annual interest at 4% and 3%. So this portion gave an interest of 4% and this portion gave an interest of 3%. So first of all, let us calculate net interest earned from this investment. So for this, 4 multiplied by 2 plus 3 multiplied by 1 divided by 2 plus 1. 4 multiplied by 2 plus 3 multiplied by 1 divided by 2 plus 1. This is 11 by 3%. So net interest earned from this balance amount will be 11 by 3% per annum. If the total annual interest income is 76,000 and the investment is 15 lakh, so first of all, let us find out rate of interest on the total investment. So we can easily find it by the formula of simple interest. Simple interest is equal to principal into rate into time divided by 100. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2 zeros, 2 zeros. So rate will be 76 by 15%. Now we can apply concept of alligation. See carefully how we can apply concept of alligation. Fixed deposit, balance, rate of interest is 6% per annum, and in case of balance it is 11 by 3% per annum. Net interest that I am earning is 76 by 15% per annum. Now in this diagonal, larger number minus smaller number, and in this diagonal, larger number minus smaller number. This gives me 21 by 15 and this gives me 14 by 15. Now we will find out the ratio of money invested in fixed deposit and balance. So fixed deposit by balance is equal to 21 by 15 divided by 14 by 15, which gives me 21 by 14, which is equal to 3 by 2. Now question is asking amount invested in fixed deposit. So amount invested in fixed deposit is equal to 3 by 5 multiplied by 15 lakh. Fixed deposit के corresponding portion है 3 and this total is 5. So fixed deposit में amount होगा 3 by 5 multiplied by 15 lakhs. 5 से we can cancel it. So this is 3 multiplied by 3 lakhs, that is 9 lakhs. So the total amount invested in fixed deposit was 9 lakh rupees. So that is how we can have answer for this question using concept of alligation. Thank you.